Hey guys, this is Steve Norris with Tucson Subaru. Today I'm going to show you how to use the hands-free power rear liftgate in your 2020 Outback. Here we go. First you want to make sure that this button right here is not depressed. That's depressed. That is not depressed. Make sure that's out. That is your hands-free override function. As for a matter of the car itself, does it need to be locked? That's okay. Can it be unlocked? That's also okay. You just have to make sure the key is on your person. In your pocket, in your purse. Don't be too far. Don't be too close. But if you get it just right,